Now I get asked on a regular basis how to solve the problem with disc brakes. There's that dreaded disc brake rotor rub. Now what we're going to try and do is in the video show you how I solve that issue. Now it's fairly straightforward, it's fairly easy to do. All you need is a 5mm Allen key to undo the 2 bolts and then balance the caliper. Now this process can be used for both hydraulic and cable actuated disc brakes for road and for mountain bike. So let's get on and show you how it's done. Of course, the first thing we've got to check is to make sure the wheel is square in the frame or fork. If you've got quick releases, then that's sometimes the issue. So best check first that your wheel's in square. If you've got through axles, doesn't always seem to be a problem, but there is an issue with some frames with through axles, particularly on the front forks, is that when you wind them in, it pulls the fork in a bit closer. So when we're doing this, we want to make sure we're getting that through axle in there at the right tightness, so we're not changing any flexation on that fork. So that's the first thing we've got to do, is make sure that wheel's in straight. So what we need to do is first of all undo the 2 brake caliper bolts that fixes it to the frame. And now to adjust, you want to pull on the brake and then retighten the 2 bolts. And then give it a quick spin. Nice and quiet and no rub. So there you go, it wasn't that difficult after all. So all you need to do now is make sure you torque up those bolts with a torque wrench to the manufacturer's recommended torque, and then you're safe to go. So hope you enjoyed the video and keep an eye out for some more maintenance videos in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.